What's going on, folks? I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Let's just get into this. Every now and then we need to update Windows, but for whatever reason, Windows Update might be fragged. Maybe some group policies keeping you from doing the good stuff. Anyways, what I want to do is show you the Major Geeks Windows Update MiniTool. This thing has saved my butt so many times. I was working in a place where the group policy made a third-party application. Oh, there it goes. A third-party application do all of the updates. Unfortunately, they didn't get all the Microsoft Office updates. This is a great way to get any update you need, and drivers too, actually. So of course you'll want to run the 64-bit if you're using a 64-bit operating system. And we're just going to open this thing up. Here we go. So this is the Windows Update MiniTool. Once again, saved my butt many times. If you have Microsoft, yeah, I'd recommend clicking on Microsoft just to get everything updated. Includes superseded, include drivers offline mode. Anyways, what you're going to want to do here is hit check for updates or the refresh button. It's going to take its time. It's going to go back and forth a little bit. It's going to figure out what you need, and then it's going to list everything out. Now, once again, this is super useful if you have a computer that has, maybe it has a brain fart. It had a bad update. It just wasn't feeling very good in the hood, something like that. But once again, I've had to use this for group policy, or because group policy denied updates, but the third-party tool also denied Microsoft Office updates. Okay, so here we can see, got some security updates, some definition, and some drivers. I haven't had any issue with the drivers one, so I usually just go with all of them and then hit download. Now, it takes some time to do this. It definitely takes some time to do this. But, oh, that was actually pretty quick. Another thing I'd recommend if you have issues with drivers installing or with updates installing at all. Oh, wrong window. Come on down here, open up command prompt as administrator, right click it and hit it run as administrator, and type sfc/scan now. Oh shoot, I didn't do that as administrator. Sorry, one sec. Search cmd, run as administrator, sfc scan now. Now, this surface scan is awesome for just making sure that the image is the way it's supposed to be. Only about 5% of the times it actually helped me out. But in many cases, running this has made the end user feel like I was doing something even when I was trying to figure out, geez, what's going on here? I don't exactly know. Anyways, after this thing is run, you'll have to do a reboot, and then you'll have everything. But this Windows Update MiniTool is a wonderful tool that you can use if your Windows Update isn't working, if group policy has locked you out, if any and all of those fun things. I definitely recommend you use it. It is one of the most used tools that I have in my arsenal belt. Anyways, that's it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Give me a like, subscribe if this has helped you out at all. It's always appreciated. And catch you later, folks. Have a good one. Take care of each other, will you?